So let's take a look inside this Puma. First thoughts. Nice. Here's one of the rooms. There's supposed to be two separate rooms in here. Just gonna take off my shoes. It looks very comfy in here. Look at these nice chairs. TV to watch the hockey game tonight. So you have a fridge. Fridge, microwave, stove. I could open some lights, but I guess I won't. So you have your TV there. You have one of the rooms here. This is probably the main room. Nice size. Lots of storage. Nice little eating area. Cute little light. More storage. I like this ambiance dimming blue light. And here's another room. Cool. With a bunk bed. A queen bed and a bunk bed. And again, more storage. Very cool. And let's check out the bathroom. So, I don't know where the lights are. So this is the bathroom. That's the fan. I don't know where all the lights are in this thing. But this is the little shower. It's really hard to shoot. But I think it's a pretty cool camper. So, what do you guys think? Should we buy? Should we make an investment? There's a nice picture of it right here. Should we make the investment for this camper? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.